Hi everyone. So I'm back with another purse. This purse is very special because I let's just go straight ahead and open it. So I got this recently. It comes with this, and this is what it comes with. And the receipt is over here. So this is the new release purse that had a lot of people dislike it, and I'm one of those. Well, I looked at it in the store and everything changed when I saw it and feel the quality of workmanship that they did to this purse. I personally don't like this colored handle, but this is removable, so it's kind of nice that you have an option to remove it. It is very pretty. If you smell it, oh my god, it just feels luxury. Like, I really love this purse. I just can't explain how well made is this. This is made of calfskin leather, and it looks so durable. It feels durable, and it has a structure. A lot of people don't like the shape because they said it looks like the behind, but I don't mind. You know, it's just a beautiful purse. It's called the New Wave, which explains the shape of the purse. It has substantial hardware in here, and the inside is made of like suede-like material with another compartment at the back. So you can see this is how deep it is, and there's retail at the US right now as 2,270. That's tax, and I have we'll try to see what can fit in here. So if I can put my packed mini pochette, and then let's say I'm gonna put my 6 key ring in here. It's basically it, and you can maybe squeeze a small sunglasses. My sunglasses is huge, so I don't think I can close it. And this is full. So let's say you're gonna bring your Victorine wallet over here. I think you can squeeze another card holder inside. And then with a 6 key ring, you can still put another dipstick in here. Let's put it like this. So my sunglasses is really huge. So as you can see, yeah, this is also Louis Vuitton. So I don't think this will do, but if it will me, I will bring my Chanel card holder, and then maybe another card holder, and my keys. And then this is my son's old phone because I'm using my phone to film. So let's say we're gonna put it in here. Yeah, it's perfect. Then I'm gonna put my sunglasses without the case on top. If you can just feel this leather, I know it's like, I can't imagine me disliking this purse and then feeling it at the store and looking at the quality and putting it on me. It's like mind-boggling how my taste on this purse like changed. I know it looked like Gucci Marmont, but this is Louis Vuitton's version of the chevron pattern that every designer houses has. So that's the way I look at it. So I try to put this at the back of the chain, so if you can see, and then hold it like this, or put it on me like this. However, this handle, like it tries to, like it goes up in front. So I figured out if I'm gonna twist it like this, see, you cannot see the printed pattern, as well as you can use the handle anytime without it showing, if just in case you don't like the printed handle to be seen. See, like it's another look of the bag. So up here it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Italy. Then you can just put it like this. I love the way it looks when you hold the handle like this. It's just like dripping necklaces. It just screams luxury for me. It's my opinion. So I just love this purse. It smells divine. I really love this. So if you can put it like so, it's just, I wear all silver and I don't even like gold hardware, but this is just special. I tried all the colors, but I think I'm just playing safe, but this is what my heart, says for me to get it. So this is what I got. So I'm gonna compare this with my Chanel Boy, since it's kind of similar. So the craftsmanship of this purse, I felt like if you can just feel the leather and look at it, it's like it can be priced more than what the look. Like it's really, really made well. So beside the Chanel Boy, you can see them together. So both has similar leather on top, and then it has a chain strap. So it's kind of similar at the sides, and then at the back, or at the bottom, I mean, and then at the back. So this is lambskin, this is calfskin. So if you can just squeeze them both or squish them both, this is like hard. It's durable, and I don't have anything to say about this purse. Just try to feel it, try it at the store, and you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, then maybe it's just me. So you see the lock here is you can just like press this. So if you have like long nails, maybe you just have to be careful because the leather here might get scratched. So I'm gonna put it on side by side. So I'm gonna break it again like so, because I like it that way. Okay, so crossbody with the boy. That. So this is like half of the price of the boy, but take a look at it. Just take a look of the leather and the craftsmanship. It's just impressive. I really like this purse. So look at this, both, and then I'm gonna try it on. It has the same length as well. This. So, well, yeah, I hope, let me know how do you like this purse as well, if you're gonna see it or get it. I just want to know if you will love it as well as I do, because I really do love this purse.